I'm Harriet and welcome to a crazy illusions workshop with Funny How Flowers Do That. This workshop's here to celebrate the new trend collection and it's all about being playful, bold, bright and just crazy basically after the very miserable winter we've just had. So we've got all of these flowers that are in the collection and they're really fun and bright and really beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to make an arrangement within this sort of, within this look. This vase is filled with clean water. And how we start with an arrangement, we're going to condition our flowers first. So conditioning is basically taking all the leaves that are going to be below the waterline and trimming the end of your stems. And when we're arranging, I want you to just be, just think, I don't care. Be playful, anything goes, there's no rules. So once you've taken all your leaves below your waterline, you want to cut the stems at a 45-degree angle, at about 1.5 inches from the bottom. And you'll do that with all of your stems, but I'll start arranging, I'm going to do it as we go, because I'm going to play with heights again to add interest. So I'm going to stick a lily in, there we go, nice and tall. I really like this sort of like circular shape of this vase on top. Okay. I'm going to put maybe a lower lily. So I'm sort of using my vase like a measuring stick actually. I'm going to cut it here. So keep cutting at a 45-degree angle. Pop that there. All right. Okay. Let's get some celosia. I'm going to keep that really tall. That looks nice. Okay. I've left a few leaves on here, but on others I might take all the leaves off. So I'm going to put another one here, I think. All right. I'm going to do some in clusters and some more sporadically, and I'm going to have some whooshing off. Because again, the trend is it's all about circular shapes and like sort of bendy lines. Okay, I'm going to stick one more celosia in. Okay, do that. Okay, let's move on. Let's get a gerber in. That one. Okay. Pop him in there. I'm going to group a few together here. They could be pals there. You might want to sort of bend your vase. Depending where your vase is going to go in the house, once you've decided where you want it to go, indoor or outdoor, you might want to think about kind of if you want a front or a back, but I'm going to do mine all the way around. Okay, what am I going to get in next? I think, let's get an iris. Just love these irises. Okay, whack an iris in. You might want different styles. You might want just a few stems in your vase, or you might want it really packed full. The celosia are really useful actually here. I don't know whether you can see, I've done them sort of lower around the neck of the vase and they sort of like hold each other, hold the other stems in place. And also it kind of makes this sort of like mound, like almost like a coral reef. Okay, I'm going to cut this lower. Again, I'm going to use it like as a measuring stick. So this, I can cut a lot of my stem down. There you go. And this vase is really nice because you've got a really nice round neck, wider neck at the top and narrower down here. So the flowers sit really beautifully in it. So it's like, whoosh, and you've got some real height in these stems. Like, whoa, maybe we could stick that lily right in the middle. Might just take a few more leaves off. And then those will open right at the top. Stick it in. Nice. Okay. And tulips, little bit of information. Tulips grow about 1 inch a day and they grow towards the light. So in a few days, this will be much longer and bending over or growing towards the light. So it's, again, they have a life of their own. They're going crazy, guys, crazy. Okay. Okay, let's get a delphin. I was just snapping these little buds off, again, just because I want a really clean stem and then a big pop of bold colour at the top. And stick it, again, in the middle. Okay. So I'll give it a turn so you can see every side has a different look. So you can decide on sort of like which side you sort of want. I'm now going to stick a calla lily. I've got a few painted calla lilies here that I did earlier, but I really like this bend, like this. Might have to cut them a little bit shorter. Right, let's just pop it in here. There you go. And you can actually bend, again, little tip, if you just gently squeeze, just ever so slightly, a calla lily, just along the stem like this. It does help on the bend. So, I was thinking, with the wire that we've got, I'm just gonna make some random sort of like shapes. I'm gonna cut some random bits off. I don't know. I'm just gonna sort of bend it and then just sort of add it into my vase. Nice. Wire is always good to have around the house because you can just it just makes things a bit more interesting. Oh, look, it's like an alien. Okay, one more piece of wire. Bend it, bend it. Maybe I'll sort of, you know what, I'm gonna just pop a piece of wire around here. I'm just gonna bend it really gently around the stem. Like anything goes. You know, I was thinking paper clips. If you made a paper clip chain, you've linked them together, I don't know, and then draped them around the flowers. Yeah, you could also sort of, I don't know. It's just being silly, basically. We all need some silliness. And voila! I think that's my arrangement done. So yeah, and then just enjoy it. Enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the colour, enjoy the craziness, and just, yeah, have fun, have fun, have fun. Head to How Flowers Do That on Instagram or Facebook to check out more on their spring-summer trend collection.